In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supermetrics for Excel. Whether you're handling marketing analytics or just need to streamline data from various online sources directly into your spreadsheets, this tool can be incredibly helpful. Let's get started. First, let's talk about installing the Supermetrics Excel add-in. Open your Excel application. Once you're in, look for the Insert tab at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll find an option for add-ins. From there, select Get Add-ins. Depending on your version of Excel, these options might be labeled slightly differently, but the general process remains consistent. In the Add-ins window, use the search bar to type in Supermetrics. Once you find it, go ahead and install the Supermetrics add-in. This quick installation process allows Supermetrics to integrate seamlessly with your Excel environment, providing you with enhanced data management capabilities right at your fingertips. With Supermetrics installed, the next thing to do is to open or enable the Supermetrics panel. Usually, after installation, you'll notice a new Supermetrics section or ribbon in your Excel user interface. This is often located via the Data tab, but it may appear differently depending on your specific setup and personalization of Excel. Some users might also find a button labeled Show Supermetrics. Simply click this, and it will open the Supermetrics sidebar or panel. This panel is your main dashboard, a place where you'll manage and configure how you import external data into Excel. Now that we have the Supermetrics panel open, you're one step closer to gathering all those valuable insights. The next step involves connecting your data source or sources. Take a look at the Supermetrics pane, where you'll see a list of available data sources you can connect to. These could include popular options like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Google Analytics, among others. Select the data source that you'd like to work with for your Excel project. Once you click on your chosen source, the program will prompt you to authenticate and log in with your account for that data source. This is a critical step because it involves granting Supermetrics the necessary permissions to access your data. It might ask you to log into your Google or Facebook account and then confirm that you want to allow this connection. Don't worry, this is standard procedure to give Supermetrics the access it needs to pull in data accurately. And there you have it. You've set the stage for Supermetrics to start importing valuable metrics directly into your Excel sheets. This integration empowers you to handle large sets of data with ease, performing complex analyses and generating reports without a hitch. As you become more familiar with the system, you'll find it easier to customize your data pulls to suit any specific requirement you may have. Enjoy exploring the vast potential Supermetrics offers for enhancing your data analysis capabilities in Excel.